पोस्ट ऑफिस बँक ऑफ इंडियन पोस्ट पेमेंट बँकेन भारत सरकाराच्या 100% इक्विटीत देशभरात गिरायकांक डिजिटल पेमेंट सेवा प्रदान केल्या. प्रधानमंत्र्यान देशभरात 650 शाखा आणि 3250 एक्सेस बिंदू 1 सप्टेंबर 2018 सावन लावपाचो निर्णय घेतिल्लो आसा. आरडेक्स गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
1st September 2018 will be definitely a milestone for the India Post, because at around 3:15 or 3:30 p.m. The Honorable Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi ji will be launching the India Post Payments Bank nationally, and at the same time simultaneously we will be launching 650 branches of the India Post Payments Bank throughout the country, out of which 2 branches are in Goa, that is the Panaji branch and the Madgaon branch. So the Panaji branch will be launched by the Honorable Governor Srimati Mridula Sinha, and in the presence of our Honorable MP Rajya Sabha Mr. Vinay Tendulkar. And the Madgaon branch will be launched by the Honorable MP South Goa Mr. Savaikar. And at the same time we will be having around 10 access points, but I'll tell you what are the branches and access points. So at the same time simultaneously we will be having functions at 8 more different places in Goa, where distinguished invitees including MLAs will be there in inaugurating or launching the access points all across Goa. Now coming to what's a payments bank, you might be aware that there was a Nachiket More committee in 2014 which was appointed by the Reserve Bank of India to study the banking system in the country. And the committee came up with a lot of recommendations, and one of the important recommendations was to come up with a lean bank, which is called a payments bank, basically to bring in financial inclusion in rural areas. Because you will understand that the major nationalized banks will be having a problem in setting up rural branches, and they are also heavily burdened with NPAs, non-performing assets, because of various reasons. So the payments bank has been designed in such a way that the bank does not give any credit. The bank's primary objective is to offer basic savings bank services to the unbanked population and the underbanked population.